I'm Kathy Thomas. Fuyu persimmons are the tomato-shaped variety that are a beautiful orange hue. Because they're not astringent, they can be eaten apple-like firm or when slightly softened. They're generally available September through December. I love to add them to ginger-enriched spinach salad. First, I make some ginger juice to create an irresistible edge to the dressing. Squeeze that grated ginger. Go on, it works. Partner it with some cider vinegar, sugar, salt, pepper. Whisk in some extra virgin olive oil, some Asian sesame oil. Delicious, right? Oh, one more thing. Some chopped shallots or red onions. Now those persimmons. Cut out the calyx, that's the leafy part, and peel them. And then cut them into wedges. In a large bowl, toss the wedges with the dressing. In goes the clean baby spinach. Toss it up and sprinkle each serving with some toasted sesame seeds. Great to serve for the holidays. Make the dressing a day in advance and refrigerate it airtight. Yum! Get the recipe at kathythomascooks.com.